Hello everyone, thanks for joining me for today's Lunch and Learn. I'm Keith Armour, the Adult Learning and Literacy Manager. Do you need a job? Are you looking for a job? Do you need a resume? Well, the library has several useful and free resources to help you with your job search and building a great looking resume and more. So let's take a look. Well, all right, we've arrived at our website, chpl.org. We are going to go right over here under Services, click on Services, and then we're going to go under the column for adults, and we're going to click on Jobs. Now, with any of the resources that I show you today for Lunch and Learn, I want you to know that you need to have a library card. A library card will give you free access to all of these online tools. It's very easy to get a library card. All you need to do is go to one of our 41 locations and across the county, and of course sign up for our free library card. It just takes a few moments. You can also click right here if you need a library card there as well. Now, I do want to point out that these are some upcoming job seeker events, and we're going to point out some of those in just a little bit. But I want to go over these 4 online resources. JobNow is a really great resource because it has a lot of things to do with resume, interviews, and of course, job searching. If you're searching for a job, these are the ones that you want to go here. You can go to some career assessments. Maybe you want to find out what kind of job that you might be interested in. And then of course you want to develop a resume. Here's some resume templates here, some resources, and you can even submit your resume and have an expert look at it and give you some feedback that you can use or you can decide not to use. And then of course, once you get that interview, you might want to come back here for interview tips and some online resources. We're going to go back. Peterson's career prep is about the same, but it is just takes it up a little bit of a notch here. And to remember, as soon as you click on one of these resources, another window will pop up and you'll have to put your library card number and your PIN. Well, for this is finding a school or scholarship or explore career options. Here are the career tools that they have. They have career advice, so you can find out what kind of career is right for you. You could find a career by looking at some of the job listings. You can, of course, create a resume. It has a really great resume builder that gives you lots and lots of different choices. And then, of course, you can even do a career college search as well. All right, so definitely Peterson's career prep. Going back one more. If you are a little rusty on some technology or some other skills, like maybe you know that they use Microsoft Teams, well, you can find a whole host of educational videos, tutorials that will tell you about all the things that you need to learn for today's workplace, and it's just a click away with LinkedIn Learning. Universal Class also has some office skills, some career training classes that are totally free as well. Now I'm going to go back. We're going to go to the events calendar because we have a lot of things here happening at the library. We're going to click on all events. And because this is happening in February, let's just look at February. Let's look at February 1st. And then we have, there's 4,915 events happening from February 1st on, but we want to zero in a little bit down here when it comes to event types. You see all of these event types listed, but we're going to show more. And right there is jobs and careers. There's 42 that are coming up starting February the 1st. And then I click right back. And then we start seeing some right here. And what you see is Covedale with some job help office hours. That's from on Thursdays from 12 until 2. Price Hill does it on Fridays from 11 to 1. Here's Price Hill also on Tuesday. Here's West End. Now this one says Future Explorations, and this is just designed for young people so they can kind of figure out what kind of career they might want to go into, what colleges, what trades, what other training programs are out there. another Price Hill, another Price Hill here, another West End. And then of course we have virtual things as well. So if you want to create a cover letter, you can attend one of our virtual events. And this one does close a couple of days before. And we have office hours at Covedale 2. I'm going to scroll all the way down to this wonderful thing that's going to happen. Oh, there's professional email here. And then there's a job fair that is coming up at Walnut Hills. Every quarter, the library with David Siders, who is our community engagement coordinator, puts together some job fairs. And this one is, the focus is supply chain, and is going to happen at Walnut Hills, our wonderfully reopened Carnegie branch library up in Walnut Hills. It's going to happen on February the 28th from 3 to 5. And the focus is maybe you're retired or you just need employment. This is going to focus on that supply chain area. So you can easily, you don't have to sign up, you just go ahead and show up for that. Now, also, don't forget the Adult Learning Center also provides a lot of different help. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 6, and then Sunday 1 to 5. We'll help with resumes. We'll help with looking for jobs and also career searching. And of course, once you get your resume, you can of course print it out for free at any of our libraries. So don't forget, when you come to our website, you go to services, you click on jobs. There's some really great online features here, and there's also some really good appointments that you can sign up for and different events as well. All right, good luck in your job search, and don't forget to if you don't need a job, let everyone know about the event that's coming up in Walnut Hills on February the 28th. All right.
All right, so we took a look at all those free resources, Job Now, Peterson's Career Prep. Don't forget the Adult Learning Center right here is available to help you with building a resume, and also you can get some help at our branches for assistance as well. We have our job fair that's coming up at Walnut Hills on February the 28th, so check that out. And then of course, if you ever need copies of your resume, you can always come to your local library and get free printing. All right, I'll see you next time for another Lunch and Learn.